Hello everybody, welcome to my presentation. Today I'll be presenting about the new innovative idea that I came across. Ever wondered how the flat top grill is cleaned? Have you ever wondered how much effort does it take for a worker to clean the grill? Also, have you ever wondered how much energy and time is required to clean that grill? Well, since that is part of my job, I came up with an innovation to make something easy around myself. Presently, the flat top grill cleaning system consists of using water, oil, a scraper, black brick that is used to scrape the grill, and a lot of muscle power. As you can see in the picture, you need both hands to scrape the grill by using that brick. And in the other picture you can see using another scraper that cleans off the residue that's left off from the brick. Now, with all that, the grill approximately takes me about 10 to 15 minutes, and anybody else who'll be working on the grill and cleaning it would approximately take the same amount of time. So first thing, it's really time consuming. The cost of supplies such as using gloves, water, oil, and scraper would is in is all adds up to cost of supplies. But and on top of that, there's also increased workload. Now to innovate this idea, I thought of a way of having the oil and water already present on the grill. Now with that, workload could be decreased, but also it would add initial cost when it'll be set up. So my proposed innovation was the installation of water and oil sprinkler on the flat top grill, and adding a scraper at the bottom of the grill with leverage with a proper handle on the scraper would make it even more efficient. Here's an idea of my proposed innovation. This is just a draft design to give an idea how the water pipes could be installed on top of the grill and how the water could flow on top of the grill. Now with this, as you can see, the water and the oil supplies could be connected on top of the flat top grill and could be controlled by a faucet that is attached to the main supply in case of water. And for oil, there could be a reserve box in the bottom that could supply oil with certain amount of pressure. Now in order, when the worker needs to clean the grill, he can open the faucet and can let out as much oil as he or she may want to clean the grill. Now that way, one won't have to reach back and go get the oil and water again and again using different containers. My innovation adds some more cleanliness to the overall work and provides some organization. Now with the help of this, not a lot of time, but a significant amount of time can be saved. A minute or two makes a lot of difference when you're in the food business and especially when you're closing on a long weekend. Now keeping this design in mind, once the oil is open, one could clean it with the scraper by using hands or as already proposed, by using a scraper that has proper leverage so that less energy from the worker is required to scrape the grill overall. This would actually save time for the worker, make the job more effective and more fast so that the worker has other duties to handle and they will be able to finish everything in time. Now let's discuss some of the ups and downs of my innovation. Initially, redesigning the whole grill and introducing this innovation would cost more, but in the long run, it's cost effective in terms of oil, the water waste, and the money that occasionally the restaurant management has to spend on getting the bricks, getting new pair of gloves, a special jug to pour water on the grill, and a special bottle of oils to dump oil on the grill. And in that case, this would allow them to order less oil and be more cost effective when it comes to ordering their supplies. Secondly, it'll be less work for workers as the worker would only have to turn on the faucet and for the oil supply or the water supply as he or she may desire. Secondly, it saves time Every time running back to the tap and getting the water and coming back on the grill and dumping it at least takes about 30 to 40 seconds. If this is done 3 or 4 times, well, approximately 2 to 3 minutes are gone just pouring the water and getting the water. Another upside will be less oil and water waste. When you can control the flow of water, you would exactly know how much water that you need, rather than getting an extra in a jug or a container and pouring it out eventually anyway, since it's of no use. Second, another upside of the innovation is that it'll be more organized, as the worker would have less things to put away after he or she may be done. Last but not the least, as already mentioned before, least use of equipments. The only equipment that could be used in this scenario would be the scraper that could be attached to the grill, that could be kept right next to the grill, and that can be only used just to scrape away the residue that is left on the grill. Thanks for watching my presentation.